Hello everyone, I'm Yi-Ting Chen. I'm going to present my project of redesign web application. I have been working on Metro West YMCA mobile website. So let's start from the persona I created. We got Alex here, he is 32 and he is the product manager. His company is near Metro West YMCA and based on the consideration of convenience, credibility, and budget, he goes to YMCA regularly to maintain healthy. The most happening scenario for him is he checks the class timetable on his way driving to the gym. Since the web page is not responsive and all the information are arranged tightly, the user experience for him is not as satisfying. We can see his emotional response is negative after a series of actions. The page layout, font size, confusing and duplicated categories decrease the legibility and cause users distracted. So I have generalized some problems needed to improve and solve. First of all, YMCA has dual navigation for different groups, which are displayed at the center top of the homepage in the desktop version, while on the mobile device, it shows Metro West YMCA only on the homepage. Users have to go through a roundabout way to reach the Family Outdoor Center homepage. Next, there are too many duplicated columns, category, and menu options. The users show their frustration and pain points on the browsing flow of page. It does not align with the web module that users are used to and expect to. Whether in video communication or on the navigation path, users are unable to use intuitively or react smoothly. Also, Metro West YMCA website tends to display the news with photo embedded with lots of text on it, and the title and content are right below the photo, which makes the whole information box distracting. It is easy to neglect the call to action button when browsing the news. So overall, I will focus on the rearrangement of the page layout, the reorganization of the navigation structure, and the hierarchy and neatness of the message box. And here are the wireframes design and the solution to the problems. First, I will be setting up homepage layout with dual tabs on the top, which can be switched to the wanted page. Based on Jacob's law of web user experience, he mentioned that users spend most of their time on their other side. That means users prefer your site to work the same way as all the other sites they already know. So we are creating or redesigning a website that is easier to use or communicates in a common way instead of a fancy or unconventional way. So setting a hamburger menu here does make sense to most of the users since it is recognizable and absolutely clean, especially on a small device. And compared to the quick links on the original version, which is arranged tightly to each other, I replaced text link to login and schedule icons and put those on the upper right corner to make it more obvious. And these two are navigation wireframes. By clicking the navigation menu, users can enter a clean list of menu options. I also removed duplicated categories from the original version. For example, when selecting program, it will enter to the next page instead of displaying a lengthy list below it. There are also cancel and back functions to increase user control and freedom. And differ from the original version, when clicking login, it will pop up a profile page so that members can manage and check their information here. For the message box, I will simplify the information box and match the appropriate hierarchy to make a distinction and strengthen the effectiveness of CDA. Also, leaving decent white space can create a breathing room for users to define their actions and digest the information. We can set up a pure photo and clean text as an integrated information box and enhance CDA setting by using different font type or colors. Lastly, on the original website, there is the sequence of quick links clustered at the bottom page. I will also consolidate all the quick links and present these in a carousel which could slide horizontally to save more space and make the whole page not too lengthy. So this is my project of redesign web. Thank you.